And a news break that is coming in from the world of politics, where Haryana polls are now drawing close, and it's a strategy meet which will be held by Union Home Minister Amit Shah today. So a brainstorming session that would be held to strategize and bolster the party's electoral prospects in the region. Let's go across to Soumya. She's tracking those details of the meet which will be taking place today. Soumya, this is going to be very crucial given the performance of the BJP in the Lok Sabha. But talk to us about the party leaders who will be taken into confidence to strategize on the Haryana polls, which is due in the next few months.
Yes, Samiksha, see, this meeting is scheduled to take place today in Panchkula, and Amit Shah is going to be leading this meeting. In participation, we can expect some big faces from BJP to be present there. The current Chief Minister of Haryana, Nayab Singh Saini, former Chief Minister and Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar is expected to be there. Other than them, all the party leaders and party workers of Haryana are going to be present there. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who is also the election in charge and co-in-charge, Biplab Debkumar, is going to be there. Union Ministers Inder Rawjit Singh and Krishan Gurjar Lal is going to be there. MLAs, MPs, everybody is scheduled to take part in this meeting. So it's very important to note that last time BJP secured 40 seats in Haryana. So this is coming on the lines of the election that is scheduled to take place in October this year, and deliberations will be going on in this meeting on the strategies that they will be taking forward for the elections this time. Back to you.
All right, Soumya, thank you for the moment. So we will be watching out for details regarding that. But for now, let's take a look at other stories in brief. This is Bharat in 2 minutes. And let's move on to what's been making, what's on the situation in the national capital, where 3 rain-related deaths have been reported in the last few hours. This is the Vasant Vihar area in the national capital, where an under-construction building has collapsed. 3 dead bodies have been recovered from the collapse site. So this is the posh area in the national capital, Vasant Vihar area, where an under-construction building in a dilapidated state has collapsed, which led to a loss of at least 3 lives. But one person is still said to be missing. Let's go across to Riyanka. She's tracking those details. Riyanka, this was an under construction building, we believe. 3 bodies have been recovered till now, but it's said that one person is still missing.
Right, Samiksha, to give a clarification, there were 3 labourers who were stuck here, and only 2 bodies have been recovered. One is still stuck under the debris. We are getting to know that there is a 6 feet deep debris beneath which the body has been located. And this is a joint rescue operation by the NDRF, Fire Brigade and police officials who have recovered 2 bodies. One was recovered today early morning at 6 a.m. and other around 7:30. And now this is basically a construction site around which there were temporary tents in which the labourers were staying, and due to the heavy rainfall the area collapsed. This is dug up to nearly 2 floors beneath. Like, this was the basement which was being dug up, and a massive slush of mud, trees, and a wall which was being constructed that got collapsed. And now efforts are still being made to recover the last body that continues to be buried beneath the debris. Viewers will come around with the rolling coverage about what exactly is happening here at Vasant Vihar at this particular site. Stay tuned for more details.